Good morning, guys. Okay, we're back. We have to comment this amazing trading movements that we've seen throughout the week. Let's start with the Bitcoin USD dollar. Of course, we had a great run, right? A bit extensive, of course, and we entered the selling pressure at $2,700, and we had a really strong correction in the prices, right? We're looking at Bitfinex, so the prices we see is around 1900. The prices at different exchanges will vary a lot because increased volatility increases also arbitrage opportunities, and this is what our trade bot has been. These were the golden days for the trade bot, right? Increased volatility is correlated with increased divergence in prices among different exchanges. So if you look at Bitstamp now, it's already at $2,080 and around there. The spread is huge. It's even up to 5% and more. But yeah, let's discuss this some other price. So we still have the drawing that we had the past week, so where we were looking this breakout, right, at the major previous resistance point of 1900. We had a breakout, and yeah, it's very interesting. You see, we're starting to get a support here. Of course, this is the major support line right here. Let's just draw it again. Yeah, this is our support line at $1,900 at Bitfinex, right? Mind the difference in prices. And if we are going to break this on the downside, then the real bloodbath will happen, right? Then we will see another wave on the downside. But I think that this correction is slowly finishing, and we are going to build a sideways movement, a support around here, because this was really hot there here, but the breakout support we have at the $1,900 is much stronger. It's real. So I see, and we can see increased volume on the green candle. We expect to see some support here, so don't panic further, right? We had a correction which was expected, and now we are going to build on this support. But of course, keep an eye and put some stop orders here, because you don't want to be on the downside should we have a movement like this, and then on the downside, right? This would mean that the Bitcoin would go lower and towards the $1,000. But however, as I told you, and we also have this trend line that we draw a week earlier, and so there is a major support point here at these levels, and yeah, I expect some accumulation to happen. Ethereum, of course, as the major cryptocurrencies entered into the bearish trend. The other altcoins follow, so we see a similar pattern over the whole cryptocurrency market, which lost over 20% in the market cap only in the past 24 to 48 hours. It's a similar thing. You see, the Ethereum is stopping on the previous breakout level that we drawn last week, and is starting to form some support, some bullish patterns. Now this is not a real bull candle yet, but it's starting to form. So as I told you, yeah, the correction is reaching its bottom. So the volume is going up, which is a supportive trend. So we expect to see some sideways movement now. Zcash, only for a quick, yeah, we have been bearish on this even before the general bear market. And yeah, we had a breakdown here below the support, and the similar thing is happening, of course, now over the general trend. It's important to notice that the correlation coefficients are increased in the past few days, so the market moves as one. Dash, okay, we have been following Dash extensively in the previous week. We had a breakout here and a great run, expected until the 40% here. We went even further, so I hope you took some money off the table here. The Dash is following, of course, the correction of the general market, and it's not looking good. We didn't sustain the breakout line, which should turn into the support. This is not a good sign. It shows a lack in the volume like we had in the breakout, and so the Dash really doesn't have a good support here, so I would be careful with any major positions you might have. You might want to scale them down. Of course, we expect the similar sideways movement as on the other cryptocurrencies here within the previous support bands.